Hello everybody, Antonis here. So today I want to talk about the groups and color coding of the groups and the new 3 codes. So if I go Shift A and add another screen here and I click this button, which I can map to Control G, for example, you'll get this group which is now at the top and it can be hidden like that. And then I can go right click, reference color, and pick a color which is, for example, green, and it will be okay. So it doesn't do like in Photoshop. In Photoshop you can drag this layer down inside the group, and that layer will change the color of that object. However, it's still a huge improvement, and for me, honestly, doing groups fast and easy with color coding is amazing. I just really wish that I could also do rectangular selection and pick all the objects into the group and color code it. Well, it's something for the future, I guess, for them to do. However, that's a great add-on, little add-on, but extremely useful for me personally. I hope it will be useful for you too.